This is Chad Bautista. I'm going to do a bike check for STF BMX Race Edition. So we got, starting with a 21.5 S&M Steel Panther, translucent red. This thing is sweet. Fork, we got a S&M Racing, just a normal S&M XLT. Up to the stem, got a Challenger S&M. I've been running that thing actually for almost 10 years now. That thing's super old. Still running though. Handlebar, we're running a S&M Credence 8.75. Not even running a race bar, just a simple regular old trail bar. Running a box number plate. Shout out TFP Designs, Tim Fuzzy Hall. Get me hooked up with the plate. See the front wheel, we got a Madera hub up front, just normal 3/8, normal spokes. Lace 2A Sun Envy. Running a Odyssey tire, the Super Circuit. These things are sweet. Running the 2.1, 100 PSI, super dialed. Got a Shimano DXR for a lever. Running the ODI long necks, classic stuff there. Then run a railed seat, normal S&M leather railed seat. Got that from Aaron Bartlett. Shout out to the homie. Just a normal S&M railed seat post. Got the quick release clamp from S&M as well. And let's see, drivetrain, got Profile, running normal race crank, 175, or actually these are 180s, sorry. 180 race crank, normal 19 millimeter spindle, 4-bolt spider. Still running the crank bolt. I don't run the bossless stuff, just cause. Got a Renin chainring, running a gear, let's see, a 38.1, 13 in the back. Got a Madera hub back there as well. 13 tooth cog. Got the Shadow half-link chain on there. Got the Shimano DXR brake out back, match the lever. Running an Odyssey slick lever, or slick cable, sorry. To hook all that up. Got the Odyssey tire out back as well, Super Circuit. Sun Envy in the back as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got these pedals, stole them off my mountain bike, haven't replaced them since. It's just a normal 1-up nylon pedal. Super good pins on this thing though. I don't know, I've been running them for a while, probably leave it that way. I don't know, might even throw some Yoshimuras on if I feeling fancy. But that's pretty much it, man. This has been the trusty steed for the race season out here at North Bay BMX.
Sick.
STF.
Thanks, Chad.
Hell yeah.